Welcome to Chibi Fire Alarm System Test 2. I changed the notification appliance to the 12-volt SpectrAlert class at the P1215W. Pulse station hasn't changed. Guess I'll change it on the next Chibi Fire Alarm test, but here we go. Ugh. It's challenging to lock up. There we go. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed that. So I'm thinking about using my FCI MS2 for the pulse station. And I'm thinking about using my ceiling mount classic. So how I have this set up is I have this turned like halfway of the throttle, and that's what allows me to use some of the voltage, or at least approximately 11 to 12 volts, or 13, I don't know. Somewhere in the voltage range of this device. So anyways, thank you for watching.